Jungle.
The Indian Navy's Kolkata-class destroyers, while celebrated for the potent offensive capabilities, have a noticeably lower count of surface-to-air missiles (SAMs) when compared to similar-sized warships from other nations. Tough, the Navy hasn't officially commented on this discrepancy. Discussion with naval officials suggests a balance between cost and space constraints is the primary reason. Powerful offensive weapons like the BrahMos missiles, while crucial for the Kolkata-class destroyers' firepower, are also bulky and expensive. This trade-off results in fewer missiles being carried to keep costs in check. These fiscal constraints extend to defensive systems as well. The MRSAM, a widely used air defense system, is costly and faces production delays. To bridge these gaps, the Navy is adopting a strategy of incorporating more affordable and compact Indian-made weapon systems such as a subsonic cruise missiles and VLSR AMS vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missiles. These domestically produced options are not only budget-friendly but also space-efficient. The Indian Army has made a significant stride in counter-terrorism operations with the induction of the Hover-B, a miniature kamikaze drone developed by Bengaluru-based startup Zulu Defense. Hover-B is 15 cm long, 260-gram drone is designed to navigate complex environments and neutralize threats with precision. This drone can be entered in buildings, search for targets, and eliminate them while avoiding obstacles. This is equipped with 400-gram grenade. It can be detonated remotely or upon detecting movements in this vicinity. The Hover-B also can be used as a surveillance tool equipped with sensor and night vision. It provides real-time video needs enabling operators to access situations rapidly. Drones, compact size and lightweight design allow for easy deployment and recovery, making it an invaluable asset for rapid situational awareness. Russia is gearing up to unveil its latest AMR 950 attack submarine at the upcoming Army 2024 Military Technical Forum. The AMR 950, designed for export and touted as a naval floating battery, will be publicly presented for the first time. It boasts 10 vertical launch systems (VLS) capable of firing BrahMos missiles, a significant enhancement to its offensive capabilities. The AMR 950 is an export version of the Lada-class submarine, part of the AMR class series known for its improved stealth combat systems and optional air-independent propulsion (AIP). The submarine is designed for preemptive strike against enemy vessels and coastal infrastructure. It features low noise level, advanced hydrostatic system for reconnaissance, and 30 days autonomous operation range. With a displacement of 1000 tons, the AMR 950 measures 58.8 meters in length, 5.65 meters in beam, and 6.4 meters in height. It has a crew of 19 and a armament including four 533 mm torpedo tubes with a capacity of 16 units of torpedoes, missiles, or mines. Interestingly, Russia had previously offered the larger AMR 1650 submarine to India for its Project 751 program. However, the Indian Navy declined due to the lack of an AIP system crucial for prolonged underwater operations. The AMR 950, while smaller, addresses this concern by offering a potent mix of stealth, firepower, and adaptability. General Electric Company has submitted techno-commercial bid for fighter jet engine technology transfer deal with India, marking a significant step forward in the landmark agreement. The deal, estimated to be worth $1 billion, involves the manufacturing license agreement for producing GE 414 INS-6 engine in India under a technology transfer pact. The Indian government is currently examining the bid submitted by GE. The agreement is in its final stage of approval and is expected to be signed within the next 6 months. The deal will enable India to manufacture 80% of the engine technology domestically, including crucial components like the hot and coating, crystal blades, and laser drilling technology. The next stage of discussion with GE will focus on finalizing the size and scope of the technology transfer. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), the chosen manufacturer for the deal, has already identified land in Bengaluru for the new engine factory. The environmental and pollution clearance for the project are being processed, and the facility is expected to be operational within 2 years of signing the contract. The initial order under the deal is for 99 engine, which will power the Mk2 variant of the Light Combat Aircraft (LCA) Tejas. The Indian Air Force has projected a demand for 400 to 500 engines for its Tejas Mk2, TEDBEF fighter jet, and AMCA fighter jet. In a significant step forward, India's ambitious indigenous fighter jet program, top officers from the Ministry of Defense, Indian Air Force, and DRDO recently convened a high level review meeting focused on the Tejas Mk2 project. The meeting, chaired by the Secretary Department of Defense R&D and Chairman of DRDO and attended by the Deputy Chief of Air Staff, brought together key stakeholders involved in the development of this crucial project. Participants included representatives from DRDO laboratories, Defense PSUs, CEMI LAC, and NFTC, who presented comprehensive updates on the project's status, risk assessments, and mitigation strategies. This gathering signals a renewed push towards realizing the Tejas Mk2, also known as a medium-weight fighter (MWF). Sources indicate that the assembly of the first prototype is slated to commence within the next 2 months, with a rollout anticipated by 2025. The much-awaited maiden flight of the aircraft is projected to take place in 2026. India's gas turbine research establishment GTRE is optimised that the dry Kaveri engine's successful demonstration on the Tejas Mk1 trainer will pave the way for the development of the advanced Kaveri 2.0 engine. This development is not only crucial for securing much needed funding but also reducing India's dependency on foreign engine for its fighter jets. The current dry Kaveri engine, while impressive with its 46 kN dry thrust and 73 kN wet thrust, falls short of the power required for the Tejas Mk1 and Mk2. However, its successful deployment on the Tejas Mk1 trainer will demonstrate GTRE's capabilities and strengths. The case of additional investment. GTRE, buoyed by positive feasibility study conducted with French aerospace firm Safran, plans to seek nearly $1 billion in fresh investment for the Kaveri 2.0 engine. The upgraded engine is projected to deliver 55 to 58 kN dry thrust and 90 kN wet thrust, making it suitable to power both the Tejas Mk1 and Mk2. The Indian Army is on the brink of a substantial artillery upgrade as the government prepares to approve the procurement of the additional 100 K9 Vajra-tracked self-propelled howitzers. The decision, expected to be finalized in a cabinet committee meeting this month, will significantly enhance India's firepower capabilities, particularly along the sensitive border with China. This repeat order comes in the wake of the successful delivery of the initial 100 K9 Vajras by Larsen and Toubro L&T in 2022, built in India under a technology transfer agreement with South Korean defense firm Hanwha Defense. These howitzers were initially designed for desert warfare. However, their deployment in the high-altitude Ladakh region during the 2020 standoff with China showcased their versatility. The army subsequently procured winterization kits to ensure that howitzers operate seamlessly in extreme cold conditions.